Hi friends, Julie here from Indigo Handmade Design. Welcome if you are new or welcome back my friend. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to crochet the Enderman Minecraft inspired beanie. You can make this using any yarn you have in your stash, but I've used a size 3 acrylic yarn and a 3.5 millimeter crochet hook, and other than that you are also going to need some stitch markers, yarn needle and a pair of scissors. Okay, so to make this Minecraft Enderman beanie, you are going to start first by making the beanie, and for this you need to know the height of the head plus the brim. So I'm going to go with 25 centimeters for the height, and then you need to know the circumference of the head, and then subtract from the circumference about 5 centimeters. So I'm going to go with a circumference for about 50 centimeters. So to get started, you are going to take your 3.5 millimeter crochet hook and your black yarn, and you are going to chain the amount of chains that you need to reach the height of the head. Okay, so I've chained a total of 41. Now you are going to yarn over and start into the second chain from the hook, make 1/2 double crochet, and then 1/2 double crochet into each chain across till the end. So I'm going to work over 40 half double crochets. Okay, now from now on we are going to work into the back loop only. So at the end of the row you are going to chain 1, turn your work. The chain 1 doesn't count as a stitch. Then you are going to yarn over and start into the very first stitch and working into the back loop only. Now you are going to continue working like this. So no matter how many stitches that you have, you are going to stop when you have 4 stitches left, and I'm going to meet you back once I have these 4 stitches left. Okay, so I have 4 stitches left. Now I'm going to half double crochet the next 2, and I'm going to stop here. Now you are going to chain 1, turn your work, and again you are going to start into the very first stitch and make 1/2 double crochet into each stitch from the previous row. You can now take a stitch marker so that you know this one right here is your first stitch. You can also put a stitch marker down here. Now just continue making this third round by half double crocheting into the back loop only, and the next round. So every time you are on a even row number, you are going to leave 2 stitches undone. So you are just going to work until you have 2 stitches left, and then chain 1, turn your work, and continue with the odd row number, which is half double crocheting into each stitch. I'm going to work now a few rows of camera, and then I'll meet you back again once I have a little bit more progress that I can explain to you better. Okay, I want to show you some progress. So I've made now 11 rows of half double crocheting into the back loop only, omitting on each even row, even number, row number, omitting the last 2 stitches. I'm now on my row 12. I'm going to continue working the row 12 all the way down, and then I'm going to show you how to pick up the stitches on this side. Since the beanie, it's going to be flat on top of the head, that's why we are creating this sort of stairs to have it cinched in on the top and then go out around the head. Yeah. Okay, so as I said, on row 12 you're going to work all of your stitches. So this is my last stitch for the row 12. Now we are going to pick up the stitches on the side. So this means we need to pick up 10 half double crochet stitches, since you have here 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. To do this, you are going to take this stitch marker out, and you need to, of course, pick up your stitches with half double crochets, but we cannot do like the half double crochet like so down here, since you are going to have a gap. So to make the half double crochet, I'm going to yarn over, and then I'm going to go right here and pick up the loop that's right here, and then I'm also going to pick up this loop. So I'm working into the ridge of the half double crochet rows and down here this ridge, like this. And this is the stitch that I need to pick up. So I'm going to go into the back loop only. I have now 5 loops on my hook. I'm going to yarn over and pull through all of them like so, and see, no gap. Now the next stitch here where the stitch marker is, I'm going to take this out and make a regular half double crochet in there. So I have now 2 stitches that I've already picked up. Now we need again to pick up the stitch that is right down here. So I'm going to yarn over and then go into the ridge of the half double crochet of the row and the loop down below like so, and the stitch that I need to pick up, yarn over and pull through like this. The stitch that I need to pick up, yarn over and pull through all of your 5 loops, and the last stitch where the stitch marker is, like this. See, no gapping. So go ahead and repeat for the remaining stitches, and I'll meet you back once I have this done. Okay, so I'm here at the end of my row. So this is going to be my last stitch. Go ahead and make 1 half double crochet like this. So this is what your work should actually look like. Now let me give you some measurements. So my panel is at the moment almost 13 centimeters wide. So I need for my head a width of 50 centimeters. So I'm going to repeat these 12 rows around right here almost 3 more times. So I'm going to work now off camera, so go ahead and do the same. Make your remaining rows off camera, repeating now from the first row to the last row. So the next row that you are going to make, it's going to be, I'm going to start this one with you. So chain one, turn your work, and now you are just going to have double crochet into the back loop only of all of your stitches. So this is again row 1. If you need, go ahead and put a stitch marker in there so that you know where your first stitch is. And yeah, I'll meet you back once I have some more progress. Okay, so this is the progress that I've made. I've reached the width of the beanie that I need to have. I'm now on the last repetition row, so which is half double crocheting over all these stitches here, and then half double crocheting, so picking up the stitches down here, the 10 stitches down here. So I'm going to do this row and then meet you back again to show you how to close the beanie. Okay, so I've made the row that you need to pick up your stitches. Now we still have one row to do, which is half double crocheting into each and every stitch. So make this last row. So if you need to make more rows to achieve the width of the hat that you need to have, go ahead and do this. And so it doesn't matter if you have like only row 1, 2, 3. This doesn't matter. You are just going to pick up the stitches for these rows that you need to make, and then make the last row like working over the all of your stitches. So for me it was just perfect that I could make all of my repetition rows, but there is no problem if you need to stop in any other row. So I'm going to finish this off camera and then meet you back again. So I hope I was clear enough, and if I wasn't, leave me just a comment and I'll try to help. Okay, so this is how it's looking like once it's done. To know how, if you reached the width of the beanie, you are just going to fold your panel like so in half. And I know I need a overall width of 50 centimeters, so I'm going to measure down here at the bottom, and as you can see it is exactly 25. So now go ahead and turn the beanie the wrong side out, which in my case it's going to be this one here, since here is where I added some new yarn. And now for the very last row, which is to close the beanie, we are going to, so this is the loop, we are going to bring the loop on this side, and then chain 1 to secure your work. And now we are just going to slip stitch all the way up, going on this side of the panel and on the other side. So slip stitching the edging together. So go ahead and do this into each and every stitch. You are just going to make a slip stitch. So into your starting chain, and here is the last row. Just slip stitch, and I'll meet you once I'm here. Okay, now once you are up here, as you can see, you have here a gap, a hole. We are going to chain one and cut the yarn. And now pull your yarn through and take your yarn needle. Using your tail, you are just going to go through the loops up here. Like this. Now you are going to pull to close the gap. See? Everything is closed. Now go ahead, secure on the back and within the loose end. Okay, so to make the eyes, I've already made one. You are going to take some pastel pink, blush pink. This is a very soft, very light pink. Your 3.5 millimeter hook, and then you are going to chain 6, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Starting into the second chain from the hook, make 1 single crochet, and then into each single crochet, into each chain across, 1 single crochet. So you should have 5 single crochets in total. You are going to work with your blush pink 4 single crochet rows in total. Then you are going to switch to neon pink and work 4 single crochet rows with neon pink, and then switch again to blush pink and make the last 4 single crochet rows with blush pink. Chain 1, fasten off, leave tail for the sewing. I'm going to sew the eyes up here, so that is like half on the brim itself and half of the eye. It's going to be only on the head. You can sew them down here if you like this version much better, so I'm probably going to go with this version. I'm going to work off camera and then meet you back again to show you where I placed the eyes. Here is the finished beanie. I've decided to place the eyes on the brim. So thank you all for watching and for joining me today yet for another video. Make sure to be subscribed and hit that like button for more free tutorials. In the meantime, I wish you all happy crocheting. Until next time, bye!